Hi there, this is Christy. In this video, I want to talk to you about how and why you should write an ebook. What is an ebook? An ebook is like a regular book, except you can instantly download it. It's not something physical you hold in your hand. It's just a downloadable file that you can open up and read. Think about Kindle, KDP ebooks. That's what we're talking about. Something like that. You don't necessarily have to put your ebook on Amazon Kindle platform, but you could. I have done it. It's very rewarding. But think about having your name in lights, having your name on your own book. I think most of us grow up with the secret desire to have an ebook, a book with our name on it, especially if you love to read. I grew up loving to read. Maybe you did too. So I learned how in 2013, I worked together with another guy and we did a launch of a how-to ebook, like how to make money online. And we did several launches of different, it was simply a PDF ebook. The first one we did grossed $13,000, but we only netted like $4,000 and I split it with him. So it was only $2,000, but it paid my rent that month. And I saw the value of, one, take what you know, put it into an ebook, and two, the power of leveraging the worldwide internet is amazing. So you may be thinking, what can I write an ebook about? Well, using a keyword tool called Sales Samurai, I went in and I put how to paint a bathroom. Okay. Because that is one of the keyword phrases that I found that Pinterest said is searched for a lot every month. So right here is the result. Google most trending how to paint, just how to paint in general, 14,800 searches a month with low competition. So if you know how to paint, I guess you could say, how to paint a wall, how to paint as an artist. It would be up to what your knowledge is. What is your skill set? How to paint a rose. Look at that. How to paint a rose. 3,600 people a month look for on Google how to paint a rose. How to paint wood. 4,400 people search for that. And you may think, well, they could just watch a YouTube video, and people do. And you may think, well, people can just download a book from Amazon. Well, let it be yours. Let it be yours. There's another one. This one's very specific. How to paint book. Okay, so they are looking for a book. So that's what's called a buyer keyword, how to paint book. But it does have high competition. But if you promote it on Pinterest, self-promote it, doesn't matter what the competition is. Okay, how to paint furniture, medium competition. 5,400 people type in Google every month how to paint furniture, how to paint DVD. So they are looking for a DVD on how to paint. That's only 10 people a month. Look at this, how to paint flowers, 6,600 people a month. How to paint watercolor, 5,400 people a month. How to paint pouring, how to decorate a bathroom. High competition, 5,400 people a month search for that. But like I said, this competition doesn't matter if you promote it yourself. On Pinterest, you don't have to rely on Google traffic. So how do you do that? You can use AI to help you write it and then put your own flair on it. Then you can just add graphics and boom, you have an ebook. Okay. Super easy to do, super easy to do. And then to sell it, you can use Pinterest. I use Pinterest every week. Love it. That's where people hang out. I actually did a search with Pinterest's own platform, their sales platform. You can actually do a search of keywords that are searched every month without doing an ad, although I have run ads. With this search that I did, I put together this 376 amazing how-to ebooks, just like we were talking about. And I started this blog with the first one. Sorry about that. With this, how to paint a bathroom. And I put together a list. It's a simple PDF, just like I'm talking about you could do. And Pinterest says these are searched for hundreds, thousands of times each month. Okay. So basically this is a quick list. So you don't have to I mean, you could pay for Sell Samurai. It's an awesome tool. But you could also just download this as a quick start guide. And the other thing you'll get is you'll get this dated daily printable that you can sell with PLR rights. That means private label rights means that you have the rights to resell this. And you'll also get this 31-page ebook Canva template. And what that is, it's a pattern. You just go in and fill it in with your ebook. And again, you can write your ebook with GPT. And if you want to know how to do that, I'll have a link below this video. So it's super easy. There's really no reason why the day and age we live with GPT and these keyword tools telling you what people are looking to buy, that you can't write your own ebook. And then you can put it on Pinterest, and you could make a video pin every day and slap it on a stand store, and boom, you have got a book for sale. You can also upload it to Amazon KDP. So make sure it has original content. It's not just spit out of a computer. Make sure it's unique. Make sure it has your voice. You can go in and edit it and make it your voice. And you can add pictures from websites across the web. I use Creative Fabrica to do that. And boom, you have an ebook. I mean, the potential is huge. I mean, really. So go back to this list. I mean, look at all the people, how to decorate a bathroom. And on Pinterest, it's mostly ladies, and a lot of ladies are always looking to redecorate their home, and they go on Pinterest. So Pinterest would be the place to advertise your ebook. Just go into Canva and download some Canva videos and just start promoting your ebook on Pinterest. Okay, so we go into Pinterest, how to decorate a bathroom. Let's just do that real quick. So if we go into Pinterest and we go into the search bar, how to decorate bathroom. All right, not my pins. We're doing all pins because I don't have any on that subject. But look at this. Boom. This is huge. This is absolutely huge. So if we look at these pins on here, look at this one, Easy Bathroom Counter Ideas. This has been saved 1,953 times. It's been repinned. Like somebody said, oh, I love that. I'm going to put it on my board. I'm going to save it. It's awesome. And look at this one. Great engagement on these. Great engagement. So yeah, you could have your own book. You could have your own book about how to decorate a bathroom. And look at this. You could do a chapter on counters, shelves, walls, towels, plants, furniture, fixtures, windows, shelves, modern shelves. I mean, this is huge on Pinterest, okay? And plus, as I said, if you want a short list, a printable PDF list of 376 ideas, I've already found that totaled in searches, 6 million searches in Pinterest. I'd love for you to download my little ebook on that. And that would help you, give you a really head start. Plus you get the Canva template where you can just fill in your information, that you can go to GPT, put in the keyword and ask it to write you a book, or ask you to write an article and tell it how many words, and then tell it to, put it in chapters, and tell the chapters, use these chapters right here. Pinterest is telling you need a chapter on countertops, shelving, walls, towels, plants, furniture, fixtures, windows, shelves. Those are keywords that people are putting in, along with how to decorate bathroom shelves. There's some more keywords. How to decorate a modern bathroom, a toilet, a decor. All of these are keywords that you can put into your ebook. And when you're uploading your Pinterest pins, use these keywords, use these phrases to help rank your video to get them back to your ebook. And again, you can do a stand store. Just search my channel for stand store. It's the easiest way to get started, because when somebody purchases your ebook from your stand store, which is just like your shop, it collects their email, which is awesome because buyers buy and they will buy again. And so then you can email them with an autoresponder and just say, hey, I have another book. You could do a book on each one of these phrases. You could do one on bathroom shelves. You could do one on how to decorate your bathroom with towels. And then you can link out in your book to Amazon to towels with your Amazon affiliate link. How to decorate bathroom with furniture, fixtures. Oh my word. Think about all that. Look at this. Sink, shower cabinet. All of these could be a series of books, ebooks, and price it at whatever you want. $17, $27. And then start making pins like this and send them back to your storefront. Okay. So that's a great idea of how to start an online business with simple ebooks. I hope that helps. If you like this, please give me a like, subscribe, and comment below. It helps my channel grow. And I'm really excited about my YouTube channel growing. And I'd like for you to be a part of that. And if I can help you, let me know. Thank you. God bless you. Have a great day. Bye now.